All right, Christy, thank you. And today, Governor Brian Kemp will be giving another update on how the vaccine rollout is going after expanding eligibility. Those 55 and over and 16 and over with high-risk health conditions are excited to finally be on the list, but others who've been on the list since December, so the beginning of the rollout, say they're still waiting to get a shot. Mara Siriani joining us live in Atlanta. Mara, we spoke to people who were in that very first group to get the vaccine. They haven't yet, and understandably here they're frustrated. Tell us more.
Yeah, they are. We're talking about that phase 1A group. So millions more Georgians are now eligible to receive the vaccine, but that really doesn't do them any good if they can't make an appointment. But the state says things could start to improve tomorrow. We talked to several people right here in the metro from that phase 1A group, seniors, caregivers, and people who work in healthcare.
I can't begin to tell you the number of hours that I've put into trying to sign up somewhere.
Emails and calls to the 11 Alive newsroom express major concern and frustration when it comes to nailing down a vaccine appointment.
It just said there are no vaccinations available within a 100-mile radius of your address.
Sherry Stewart works in healthcare and says she's struggling to find the second dose.
When I was able to get in touch with somebody, they said, yep, there's nothing available. Just keep trying.
It took Polly Oliver months to make an appointment.
Well, I was afraid that if it opened up to another group and I still hadn't gotten it, that it would be more and more difficult. So, the closer it came to they were going to open it up, the harder we would try.
The Georgia Department of Public Health says come tomorrow, people should have an easier time getting appointments as 5 additional mass vaccination sites are opening up across the state.
Why some people have no problem registering for their first and second dose, smooth, everything goes fine. And then some people just, it seems to be like a needle in a haystack.
It's a little difficult trying to drive so far away. And I just can't seem to do that anymore. So we are trying our best to see if we can get something close to where we are.
All right, and we have gathered all the information that we know, tips and advice on how you can schedule and nail down that appointment right now on 11alive.com. We also have information there on all of Georgia's mass vaccination sites, of course, including times and locations. Sheba.
Mara, thank you. And here's a look at where we stand with vaccination. CDC data shows more than 1 million second doses have been administered so far, meaning those people are fully vaccinated. And more than 2.7 million total doses have gone into arms. When you look at it by population, that still puts Georgia as the slowest state in the country when it comes to distribution.